Automate your entire trade management process with the most advanced tool on the market. Remove emotions, perfect execution, all instruments. Trade the Asian session, London session, and New York session in your sleep. Spend less than 2 hours on charts and allow the Wushu to trade for you through all sessions. Wushu 2.0 features auto place, stop orders, auto break even, auto partials, auto trail stop, proprietary auto exit strategy. How it all works. Step 1. Analyze your charts and set up your trade ideas. Step 2. Input your trade setups, entry point, stop loss, and risk. Step 3. Go about your day and let the Wushu do all the work through all sessions. Summary. The Wushu will position size for you, auto place stop order, move stop to break even, take partials for you, trail stop, limit max loss for the day. Auto hedge new feature. The Wushu 2.0 auto hedge mode will hedge every position you take. It will manage the 2 positions using the Dojo proprietary exit mode. The Wushu will proceed to close the losing position and take profits from the winning position. The Wushu 2.0 auto hedge mode is set to close at 1.5 R of every position it takes. Take your trading to the next level with the Wushu 2.0. Get our tool, uniforexdojo.com. info@uniforexdojo.com.
Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. This is Master FX Chifu from Universal Forex Dojo. Let's see what we can take advantage of today on this Friday pre-London session. Hopefully we can get some pips. Hopefully we can get some trades and see how far that goes. Okay, do drop your pairs on the side there. And I can definitely hop on and analyze for you. Okay, so yesterday, that was a pretty interesting day. We didn't really have, we didn't have any loss actually. It was just 3 break evens. And we have a pending now. I know you guys caught the US 30 from yesterday. And it should be running. It should still be holding. And that's literally at the entry. Nothing interesting as yet. So let's see how far this goes for us. And remember, it's a Friday, so do take it easy. So ideally, what I would suggest is just start adjusting as soon as price goes halfway of your stop loss range, 0.5. Either close half the trade and then move your stop to break even, or halfway of your stop loss range, and just see how it goes through the day. You really want to start closing your trades literally after the or rather right before the London close, midway New York, and just start adjusting and getting out of your setups, prepping for the weekend. Ideally, you don't want to hold your setups over weekend, but it's all up to you how you want to trade them. Okay, I hope that makes sense for you guys. Do drop your questions on the side. Don't forget to like the stream. We are going to take it easy. We are not going to be diving in too deep today. So yeah, let's check out gold. Okay. Gold. Actually, we did have a loss yesterday. I think this was the loss from yesterday. Yeah, it was. So gold literally tanked, got into a zone. And this is the candle that triggered right there. And then once that triggered, it literally went up, hit the entry, and then tanked, literally getting a stop loss. It's only coming back now, and nobody got this. So we are going to leave that, mark it as a loss. And let's see how that goes for the day. Okay. So moving forward for the day on gold, let's just take a look at the 4 hour. I see saying wants us to look at Euro GBP, and of course we're on gold now. Let's see what we have here. Okay, on the 4 hour, nothing there. On the daily, let's take a look at the daily, see if we're operating in any sensitive area. Okay, let's go in. Okay, with a break here. I wouldn't consider this as a potential area to work with. This would be a decline retracement. So we could essentially start looking at this zone over here. Just move this price point on the lower time frames. So do bear with me there. And then you are going to start refining all the way. Let's see if we can find an unmitigated OB and take it from there. Mitigated. We need something. We need something. Let's hop onto the lower time frames. See what the lower time frame has in store for us. Okay, there we go. Just found one now. So we can look at this one right here. And there's another one there. But I think this is more than sufficient for a good stop loss range. Remember, this was taken from the daily. And the only reason we're looking at it is because price is actually going up to that level. Remember, these ones are also still valid. So just keep them in mind. When price gets close to them, that was a loss. This is the potential one that we're looking at. So we are going to grab that one over there. It's going to be along these lanes. And of course, head down to the bottom there. There we go. So we'll have a setup that looks like that. Perfect. So that's how you'd approach gold. And remember, this is a daily type of setup. So do keep that in mind. That's one of the reasons why the stop loss range is slightly so big. So keep that in mind. And on the hourly, I was looking at this earlier. Let me just move this a bit more. Just put it there. And I'm not liking the move. It's a bit too, this move right here. We could get something, but it's a bit too busy for my liking. Because we do have a BOS over there. Price is ranging here. And ideally, you'd probably want to use this candle, which is a bit, no, we are not going to touch this one actually. Let's leave that. It is a Friday. Take it easy. I'm just going to mark that one over there. Okay. And then let's go into EA. Euro AUD. And that's from Mr. or Miss Singh. I'm not sure. Okay, let's see. So this one was beautiful because it hit 3R literally right before going to the top. I don't know why I didn't mark that one. Just do that, move it to the side, and remove all the notes on the chart. And let's see what we have here. Okay, perfect. So we've got, there's another decent area where we could potentially get a nice buy. Should price even tank that low? Let's go into the daily and just see what's happening here. Okay. It's far. It's a bit too far. So I highly doubt price will be getting anywhere here anytime soon. But there's a potential area for you guys to follow. Once price gets in here, just refine it until you get a decent buy in there. Okay. Don't forget to check the bootcamp, guys. Don't forget to like the stream. Check out bootcamp. Check out Wushu 2.0. It's a bit of a beast. And we do have it on promo now, along with the bootcamp and signals going at $699. Once the wushu is live and going, it'll be going for 699 alone. No, 599, sorry, alone. So for the promo launch, it's 699 for the bootcamp, the wushu, and 3 months advance signals. Okay. We're not gonna touch this for now. We're not gonna touch it. Sorry. But I'm just gonna make a note for you guys. This area here, actually this one right here, it is gonna be an interesting zone to work with. I'm just gonna refine it a bit more. Price is in that zone. So go further in. Then let's see. Let's go deeper into it. There we go. I'm looking for an entry point that'll give me a bit of attention. Once our price gets to it, I will be looking at entering some buys at it. Okay, so it's going to look something like that. And you'll have that over here. So with this one, it's going to be a bit interesting because now you do need to really watch it. So you have an alert right before price gets into the zone. And once price gets into the zone, you have to really confirm, because there is some liquidity here at the bottom. So you have to really confirm the setup, watch what structure does on the lower time frame, so the upside, before you enter. So you might find that price will actually start getting an entry somewhere here or here. So you really have to watch what it does. Okay. Let's check out the Euro GBP. I thought I was checking Euro GBP there. Sorry about that. I was checking out the EA from G. I hope that makes sense. G, I hope that makes sense. Actually, let me just go back to it and confirm your question quickly. Which time frame are you using? Because now, as you can see here, we've got a bit of a range that we're working with. So we've got a bit of a range, but once price does get into the zone here, you can look for bullish move to the upside, targeting these highs here. So we'll see how that works out. Okay. Awesome. So I'm assuming Euro GBP is going to be the last pair. Where are we? There we go. Only start at the lower time frames. This one has been here for a bit of a minute. So I am going to delete everything here and start it from scratch. Hopefully we can find something in there. Oh, you're using the 4 hour. Okay, awesome. That's good. So you can see that you can follow on that 4 hour key zones at the bottom, that sensitive area. You can take a look at it and potentially get something in there. Okay, awesome. So now with this one, on the daily, this is a zone that you're going to have to wait to be broken, because we do a structure. Price did come back down, picked up the order and left. So we missed that one. And then hop onto the 4 hour. Let's see what the 4 hour is looking like. It's a bit messy for me. And then let's take a look at the hourly. Nothing in the hourly here. The 30 minutes. USGBP is not really giving us anything decent. This one is probably a miss, but it is a good area to work with, by the way, guys. It's on the 30, bearish. So let's see how that looks. It just mitigated this candle right now. This one right here just been mitigated. So let's see how the 1 minute looks. And then there's one right there, which is where price is now. So ideally we could have entered this setup from an order here. So if you actually do want to take this one, you can, which would be a sell at the zone. Sorry about that. It would be a sell at the zone with the stop loss right there. Stop loss right here. And then you're selling. I hope you guys are in the setup. Okay, there we go. So you'd have your, once price hits the 1.03, you move your stop to break even. And it's a Friday, you can actually take some profits from there. Either take 20%, 25%, you can even go up to 50. It's all up to you, but this is a live trade that you can actually work with. Okay, you guys will update me on how that works out. I'll keep monitoring on my side as well. Okay, guys, I am gonna hop off. We are done for this Friday. Let's see what Monday has in store for us. Catch you guys on Monday. Do check out our website. Do check out our Wushu, our bootcamp, and the signals. Happy trading, guys. Cheers.